These are the mirror covers offered by Lexus Automotive. In each kit there will be a set of mirror covers, front lights for the mirror covers, that includes the turn signal and parking light, the puddle lights that goes on the bottom of the housing, as well as the wiring, tabs, and screws to mount the lights to the covers. For the Lexus GS and ES, there will be a difference between pre-facelift and post-facelift. For the pre-facelift, there will be one piece assembly like so. For the post-facelift, it actually comes in two pieces, and you'll need the front piece from your original mirror cover to go on here as well. So make sure to double check whether you have a one-piece style or two-piece style before you place the order. We also offer the right-hand drive versions, so if you need those, please give us a shout. Thanks.